Welcome to Rainbow Network Media. Please kindly subscribe to this channel for interesting news. Thank you all for listening. Former Emir of Kano, Mohammed Sanusi II, has predicted that Nigeria's economy is about to collapse. This was even as he warned that oil, which he called the goose laying the golden egg for Nigeria, is about to die. He made this assertion while speaking at the day 2 of the Kaduna Investment Summit on Friday. According to him, today Nigeria is having difficulties in oil production and noted that the product is now being rejected globally. There is no longer a future in carbon. Sanusi, who was a former governor of the central bank, pointed out that the future lies in a knowledge-based economy. However, lamented that Nigeria is far behind many African countries in the Innovation Index and ranking number 114th globally. According to him, while Ghana, with a smaller economy, invests more in education, Nigeria spends 7% of its budget in that direction, saying that only 8 of every 100 Nigerians who start primary education complete university. Globally, work is being redefined. 30 to 40% of workers in developed economy will need to significantly upgrade their skills by 2030. And what are the major drives of this redefinition? ICT and remote working, which we have seen even here with COVID. There is increased automation and artificial intelligence. Very soon, robots will take over work in most countries, and those who would have hope are those who operate the robots or manufacture the robots or service the robots. And you have decarbonization. For us in Nigeria, the enclave economy that we have, the so-called goose that lays the golden egg, is about to die. There will be no eggs. The future is not in the carbon. A few months ago, Germany was able to produce enough renewable energy for the entire country's need. Today, we are having difficulties in selling Nigerian oil. So, not only are we having problems producing, even when we produce, the market is not there. So, this is forcing a change, and for a country that depends on oil, things need to change. Nigeria is ranked 114th in the Global Innovation Index. We are lower than other African countries such as Kenya, Rwanda, and Senegal. We are in fact ranked the 14th in Sub-Saharan Africa. I think we should have this reality check and know where we are as a country. Let's stop calling ourselves the giants of Africa, because we are the giants with clay feet. We have a 68% missing job requirements in the major area where IT, communication, and decision making, and the completion rate between entry into primary 1 and completing university 8%, meaning that our country, 100 people who go to primary school, only 8 comes out of university. And out of those 8, 9%, which one of the 8 will get job. So guys, the former emir of Kano State is saying that the goose that lays the golden egg for Nigeria is about to die. meaning that the oil well that Nigeria depends on is fading away gradually. He said there's no market for oil globally because globally they've started rejecting oil because there's no longer future in carbon. Oil is being replaced by other renewable energy. He is indulging Nigerians that Nigeria should focus more in education and other things that can move the country forward. So guys, what do you think about the future of Nigeria and concerning what the former Emir Sanusi is saying? Let's drop our comments at the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Thank you all for listening.